Take a ride in 2021 Toyota Sienna. Sienna offers excellent overall quality and long-term dependability, making it a hassle-free vehicle to drive day in and day out while contributing to peace of mind on long road trips. Add a refined and fuel-efficient V6 engine, a smooth ride, and upscale interior accommodations to the mix, and it's easy to see that Sienna is built with the whole family in mind. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, power windows, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, cloth seats, front bucket seats, rear window wiper, front reading lamps. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.